Whew, been a long day, man. All right, you guys, everyone's been asking for updates on Blackfire. Blackfire just got back from the cage shop, and I'm all happy. So let's take a look at the cage and how much it's been. The car's been stripped out to save weight. The Beretta comes factory. The GTU came factory with the 5-speed at 2,727 pounds. So, you know, it's a 2,700 pound car. I'm allowed to run, I think, 2365. So I had to get some serious weight out of this thing. So nothing that has to do with the roll cage or the interior that anything I'm allowed to take out, I've taken out. So it's no frills cage. I didn't even have the door bars come all the way out to the door, trying to save weight. The tubing is all chromoly to save weight. The guy that did my cage, Cardi Race Cars in Largo, they did a great job on the cage, and he said I saved probably around 50 pounds by putting in the chromoly. It obviously costs more, but I still got a great deal on it. Yet to go is this roof. This roof, I've actually got to switch the skin to this Beretta, and it looks like a relatively easy swap. And the roof on this one is it's pretty rough. So the roof is pretty rough. So I really don't care if it's a little rough on the race car, because it's all going to get painted over really well anyway. After the roof is fixed, next step for Blackfire here is to get shipped to Ohio to Motorsports, where they specialize in the 60-degree V6 this car comes with. They're going to do the engine build, wiring harness, engine install, and the transmission install. It currently has the automatic transmission. However, I have the manual transmission out of Raven. So that's Blackfire's current state. This is update number 1 for Blackfire, folks. I appreciate all you guys that are interested in the actual racing aspect of the channel, and stay tuned because there will be more updates on the build. Thanks for watching.